In the budget, the announcement of National Health Protection Scheme and opening of 24 medical colleges in the hinterlands of the country are very bold and far-reaching steps as far as Indian healthcare is concerned. This is going to boost demand of pharma products, medical devices, and this is going to give good growth to the country when this scheme is actually formally completely launched. As far as industry is concerned, they have to look at their supply footprint and distribution footprint, because demand is now going to come from the areas where historically we do not have enough distribution of pharmaceutical and medical devices products. Industry was quite bullish about a lot of incentives and concessions by the government, especially because government has announced intention to make pharma as the top 3 industries in the world. To that extent, except for these 2, there is not much of announcement specific to the sector. But if I see these announcements in the backdrop of several other things which are on the anvil, then the picture becomes a little more clear. For example, the draft pharma policy, which should become formal very soon, and also government announcing ambitiously that API and medical devices would be 2 sectors among the 8 manufacturing sectors selected by the government for giving boost to Make in India. If I see these 3 things together and some other things, we find that government is planning to take several steps. Of course, in all this, implementation is going to be the key, because we have seen several announcements in the past, but implementation has not kept pace. So let's hope that this time government actually puts its implementation cap and makes things faster in terms of implementation. I am quite hopeful and positive about this. Thank you.